muscle. Look at how put me.
Pious.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
You want to poison me? And Pious? Who sent you to kill me, Pious? You want to poison me with this rubbish? And Pious?
Peter no leave this soup. Many Peter no leave. Peter corner to open.
What? Eat it! Eat it! Since it's sweet, eat it and enjoy it! Idiot!
I go complain. I don't go complain.
Jesus. What is this? Jesus. Eat the soup.
I don't go blame one. Now myself I blame. Because I can't stand too low to enter kitchen and cook food. Even monkey go reject my food, go reject her. 1B2 where they stand only to open and close gates. You follow them reject my food. When I can't eat again. The next one go for come get show. Tonya will like rest in peace. I don't go blame one. No drama happy one.
Come, make I tell you, respect yourself for this compound. Now you dey follow talk to. What did they worry you now? Eh? Come, my major concern is to make you no enter that kitchen again, no. Make you be your first and last. When you go enter that kitchen, say you won't cook for us. Which kind of cook you dey cook? You cook finish, first they eat your food. If you say the person they chop bitter cola, they take bitter cola cook. Eh? It's better say make we dey manage taro food. Is that really well joke? Who be rat now? Sorry, who be that? Who be rat? No, they manage taro food though. No enter that kitchen again. I know pama. Which one's your own now? What did they knock? Here is the view from my Catholic church. This early morning, you know, even when make day break, you don't they come with the dictionary.
What is solace? The impetus. Is this your own manner of greeting?
No, just provoke me this morning. They go.
Scallywa.
Scallywa, Kegi.
Nincompoop.
Kegi.
What rubbish? Fool.
English foul. Bless those people they help madam for office. This boy, bless now they pack dustbin and the shit for madam office.
So what you come bring him here? Young one now just has son. You no get table man. If 50 person the money, you no go greet. Yeah, be the go party one near, but one and near fool.
Impetus.
Go to the Juma hang go aha.
Ain't a brokers.
Stupid idiot.
More corner throw you.
I don't talk my own. Anytime I go cook for this house, anybody to open my talk nonsense. Thunder go fire all of una.
Thunder go follow fire you. Go cool that poison again for this and only you go Japan. No problem.
To cook na wahala. Say, idiot open my side cook all weba. I cook all weba. Why no go cook all weba? Uno you don't do jam. You una gather together, put them try with you. Wahala.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I had to breathe in to catch up with some things. Sorry about that. How are you doing?
I've been bored. But thank God you're here now.
So fine, tell me, when last did you speak with Presh?
She no longer takes my calls. So I decided to stop calling.
It's fine. Derek, do you still love her?
What kind of a question is that? Why would you ask that question if yes, man, I do. I love her. And that's why I've been bothering myself trying to call her. Did you call her like you promised?
Yes. I called her. And she said no.
I don't blame her.
She's done.
I don't blame her.
Like done.
Yes. Apparently she thought I was involved in the whole charade.
Derek, whatever that happened was because they never loved her. Yes. Yes. Derek, there's no witchcraft there. Those workers in your place, do you trust them?
I said this.
They can do and undo.
I knew it. The moment this whole thing happened, it came to my mind. I knew it. Ha! See it. I knew it. It came to my mind. I saw that.
But it's fine. Give me a second.
Really missed you.
I missed you too, babe.
I don't know what to say. Okay, please, please. Sit.
Derek.
You come on.
That's my guy.
You're really a friend and a brother.
Anything for you, bro?
Thank you, man.
So what's up? Barman!
Yes, barman. Garnish this table with more bottle of drinks. My sweetheart, my good friend is here.
Barman, please.
Listen up. This man beside me is a teacher. You can call him Philosopher. He will be teaching you proper English. Over to you, Mr. Man.
Greetings. Well, I would like to be addressed as Mr. Aristocratic Philosopher. I know you don't know what aristocratic means, but don't worry, we'll get to that. I'm here in respect of your madam here, who is willing and indebted to making sure that you all speak properly, you all behave properly, and you all act civilized. As you can see, I'm a very free-spirited person. If you abide by my rules, we work just fine. If you do otherwise, I'll leave that for now.
That reminds me. Treat him with utmost respect. His orders are my orders. and I will get the necessary books and textbooks for your studies. Get yourselves ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Not the way Musa no go see forget you. See as madam come insult us for this idiot, this ego to present. Say me we dey give am respect.
She been as philosopher they call am. Akwa philosopher. O ga erikwa ahụhụ. Burukwa na ogu buji ga esi akpa ahụhụ drọkwa for him. Akwa philosopher. He must suffer for our hand. As for me, if this boy no suffer for my hand, Mona call me bastard. Akwa philosopher. Otu kam ga show te akpa ahụhụ gba ya akpa. Bu ehụ n'isi. Oka yibe petiko to bia. Moga loga botala. Ekakwa ga ajira jam.
Wetin this what dey surprise me be say person wey dey cause me come teach yourself say as in be like bedroom slippers just dey come see make I tell you oh shebi na Fino wey don suffer and people dey call Fino then dey suffer me I no see English na most say I go go school
I wonder.
na most I go learn English
I wonder.
I no see English come take security shop abi security work make I tell you my papa speak English he speak English shake well me she go saga na manchi you can ask sorry
English on top my breast I been waiting.
it was a mistake of brown and bony but let me tell them say me no be before say I must learn to speak English come this is my duty post na my career for this place I no want any wahala o make dem just respect yourself o
Akwa mo brankete okwu jiri n'ọnụ o. Nga m dabegre enwekwara ihe m dabegre na trouble bidiso. Na trouble ko ba bia.
See my own
philosopher.
for this house una go hear am anybody wey I do am like this the person go eat. I don dey go my kitchen.
Hai Chineke nna. Elecha onye ga-akụziri m nkịtị. Ya wuru onye na-eche abụntị. Just look at this one wey dey here, the smell catchy. I be oh God. I don't suffer. Muna gị na-abụ. Better.
I actually think they weren't content with the decision the government had made.
See, that's my problem with universities here. When I studied in Britain, there was nothing like strike. Absolutely nothing like strike. And if a problem arises, the students will march with their placards to the government house and changes will be made immediately. But here, the government are allowed to do whatever they want. I guess it's because you guys are enjoying it, forgetting that they're wasting your time, not theirs.
That's totally absurd. At this point of time, I'm ready to just pack up my things and head back to the United States of America because obviously things move better out there. Out here, they're just wasting our time. Just last week, they called the strike off, and now, this morning, they changed it. Crazy.
Acting like you're not enjoying it.
Not at all. Not at all. Well, but I see a few friends just having fun. They've been sending me photos of partying and all that. But to a point, that's just something unnecessary. It just gets tiring.
Well, I don't know what to say because this job is quite easy for me because when I was in London, I had the opportunity to educate people from different walks of life. I mean, Asia, different parts of the world, people who have never spoken English before in their life. And I even had the privilege of educating the Queen of England on how to pronounce some words. You know, there was a time they said she had the tongue issue and she couldn't speak some words. So I mean, it was me that helped her out with all those issues.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, big brother, how you doing?
I'm good, I'm fine.
Oh, that's my elder brother, Derek. Derek meets a philosopher.
Aristocratic.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. He was just employed by mom to educate our employees.
Oh wow, that's nice. Good day, sir. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Why do you call Smiley? What's going on?
Well, when you're done with him, come and meet me in the room upstairs.
Okay.
Enjoy your stay.
Before we start with today's topic, I would like to educate you on the meaning of some of the words that I'll be using to communicate with you guys. Because I'm an aristocratic philosopher, I will not be using simple words to communicate with you guys. So it's either you listen and learn or you suffer the consequences. words like aristocratic means great, prominent, eminent. When you want to refer to someone great in the society, you can use words like that. We have words like tranquility. You see? That's it. Now, instead of me saying maintain absolute silence, I can say maintain absolute tranquility. That's the same. That's what it means. Tranquility means silence. But that's by the way. So let's get to the topic of the day. So today, I want us to look at parts of speech. Parts of speech. Now, who can tell me what a noun is?
You don't see him now. You don't see him now. This man don't insult us now. She don't say who can the tranquility. Who more tranquil konya tranquil. Onya tranquility eba na. If you like it na, who don't know what it mean now? If you don't say no one teach us, go sit down. Now, okay, you welcome teach us now. You come here now. You don't teach us now. No beauty me now. Now. As we don't sit down here now. No be so.
One more word from you, I'll make you face your boss. Is it not better?
You know better say make we face boss. Can I get face and Qatar?
Yes.
I face your boss. Wa boss ne la boss. I will tell boss not boss. I really welcome my karana up with you. Boss ani hunga. Ya come abu. Fortunately, Kelly here poporo.
Shenanigan.
Thank you.
Shenanigan of a driver.
Yeah.
Rubbish. Can someone else tell me what a noun is? Someone try.
Oh God, now. You wicked, madam wicked. Now. No be so.
That's so. Udu.
Oh my God. This is unbelievable. Okay. I will just be kind enough to define what a noun is. A noun is simply a name of a person, animal, place, or thing. A noun means like, when I say pious, that name is a noun. Plate, food, house, goat, these are nouns. You know what? This is an assignment. I want you to write it down. You have to submit it tomorrow. Define noun, define verb, and define adjective.
Udu.
Failure to submit your assignment tomorrow, you will get strokes of cane.
If you give us stroke, I call go kwabashi. Give us stroke of cane. I go kwa elephant tight. We got you take you na ga huja.
EB. Na 50 kg. 5G network ibure na akwa ma mekunye ge kanwa.
Electramanya mburo pious name of animal. Philosopher, the name of iniquity. Philosopher, name of Eru, my walk. Losing body in here. Biakusha be baria. To teach not to assault. King no got body that rogato. For any opportunity, give it appointment. Biana biakushi. Moshi came back, you should not push no pushing. Because you look at the mamma. You come and come pushing along. Udu.
It's okay, I'll let this slide because this is our first class. I want to teach you guys how to speak proper English. British English. So that when you speak, everybody will be like, oh, who is this guy? Who is she? You see, when you want to pronounce the words like they, that, you know, you need to, the tongue needs to go up. They, like do it, like raise the tongue up. They. And then sometimes you need to actually hold your nose to pronounce some words. Like, you know, you need to speak through, like through your upper tongue. Listen up. When you hold your nose, sometimes when you want to speak, you see, you just speak like an American, a British person. Like, Mr. Pius, how are you? You know, somebody's gonna say, oh my God, this is crazy. You know, so I like. Try it. Pius, try it. Hold your nose and speak. Say, pronounce the word tranquility. But hold your nose. Pronounce tranquility.
Toilet up a bonnet, let me go and offload waiting there by Bob. See you later. Eat a walla.
Outside. What about you? Are you going to try? Hold your nose and speak. Speak. Hold your nose and speak through your upper tongue. Try it. Hold it. Do it. You can.
I bet you go to toilet. Where this guy will come on and shit for my toilet. If I flush am, the thing they do head on top the water. Now I go flush am well. And they come.
Who else wants to try?
I dey purge since night. I never eat today. I dey come.
This is not going to be easy at all. You see, I cannot kill myself. I can't.
Our Bible can't get the disease. One goes much.
Thank you.
This is impenetrable. Adamantine. I'll take my rest now. I'm done. What's wrong? You know, they'll have to increase my salary if I'm going to continue teaching these people. How will they learn? Oh my God.
Belembele ohi tiele o kwa mbelembele. Agbọbịa gara college ohi tiele o kwa mbelembele. Afọ egbole o. Afọ egbole o kwa mbelembele o. Ụkwụ agala o. Ụkwụ agala o. Kwa mbelembele.
Pious.
Na wetin?
Hey!
Why you dey shout my name? Wetin happen?
Hey! Pious, that's how you be.
Wetin happen?
So, madam don't pay you your salary. You no tell me. Eh?
You get as the salary take come. You no come as they come before. Obra in another mood.
So you don't dey stammer now. No worry. Anyhow, the salary take come, no be my problem now. Now because of the agreement with me and you get, now make I come.
Which agreement?
Come, Pious. The food where you promised me to buy for me, or
Which
the money.
food?
Yeah?
Which food?
Eh? Pious. The food where you promised me, say, if I give you the plan, say you go buy for me. You don't forget them?
Oh, that food. When the money come,
Who do?
you no remember I'm on time. As the money enter immediately, I send them for village. For my people of keep.
Pious. Waiting. Vietnam. I been a village. What you call? You wait till us say your. How say madam know they hear our voice? If madam know say na lie, you dey lie now. Madam go kill you for you. You wait till us say your parents don't die. Say you no get mama, you no get papa, you no even get relative or relation. Now you don't send money. Go village for upkeeping. No be upkeeping, na downkeeping.
I send our community Igwe die. So every man they contribute. Oh, no boy come should buri ebula say jile Igwe ga turn elu.
God go punish that your mouth.
Ha.
Pious, I swear to God who created me and you. Pious, if you no give me my own money, or if you no buy me that food, to God I go tell Augustine and you do am. Allah.
You go tell Oga na me do am. If you tell Oga na me do am, I go tell Oga na you be the master planning. And you bring the planning where we take comot that small madam for this house. No, go tell, make we do tell. Tell, make I tell. Everywhere tell Iboma. Go and tell. Wetin be your own self?
Who do? Pious. Hey! Pious, that's how you be. Hey! Ochicha mere ihe buru oke Pious. Hey! Pious, na your type, na Chinese food they call malam fama. Hey! Cheese in two lelombo haya.
Nebuchadnezzar, you don't start again, Abi. Now every time they use that your Chinese language, they abuse me. Get out. Put in the one you said. Put in the one.
You have the infantry to fight in my house.
Madam, I no do am anything, no. I no do am anything, no. Everybody know me for this compound. Say how come one go away? I dey fit talk. Me when they even fit talk. I just dey on my own for outside o, just dey jejely o. Dey there dey meditate o. Just dey ask God for favour make he open more door for me so that by next month he go increase my salary. Na there I just sit down. This bamboo wey dey here come dey abuse me with Chinese language. Come dey speak cho. The thing come vex me. I say no. I can't dey o. I still don speak and the thing no gree me. I can't do in the name of Father, God, the Holy Spirit. Say make I just come out as Nwachukwu. As I turn my back like this, she can't show me to God. Come now, lote, I don't have anything.
How many times have I warned you not to speak rubbish before me?
I'm sorry, ma, but they are quite a very hard nut to crack. I've been trying my very best.
Shut up.
Thank you, ma.
Did I ask you to speak?
Yes, ma.
Now listen, you fools. Henceforth, no other language is allowed in this house except English language. Fail to do so, I will deduct your salary. Now, lay your company in English.
we're outside JJO. So Nebuchadnezzar, Chinese language, insult. Me verse here. Hold am. In the name of Father, God, Holy Spirit, move.
Udu.
So turn to move. Do like foul. Lift him up. Why? For grand, I just say, what do I do? I'm going to punish you yourself.
I don't understand a bit of what you just said. Nebu?
Madam, hey, who do? Madam, that the time me stay outside, never looking for any trouble with the him pious. I try spoken unto him, Madam. Me, him. Outside is settled. No problem.
Stay right there. Whatever both of you want to settle it here before us, and with proper English. British English. American English can be accepted, but nothing less than that. British or American English.
I'm not coming to America. I'm going to conquer myself for this language. Now they speak here, they want to speak America. Madam, we Chinese speak. No. Verse. No. Hi. No.
Who do?
In the name of the Father. Yes. Lift me up.
British.
Who do?
I'm cover no speak now, I know. Cover no speak, I'm moral. Hi. Then.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you all.
I love you.